Socky. What's your name? Oh, hi. Today we are going to talk about up and down. See, I have a balloon way up there that I'm trying to get. See the balloon? It's up so high, but I am down here. So up is... Wait, which way is up? Oh yeah, thanks, puppy. Up is this way. Up. And down is this way. Down. So I need to get up there so I can get the balloon. How can I get up there? Up. 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 Maybe if I jump up high, I can get it. Up. 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 If I can't get up, maybe I can get the balloon down so I can reach it. Oh, look, it has a string. Let's get the string and then we can pull the balloon down. Puppy, get the string. Down, 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 down. Yay, we got the balloon down. Hey, I can't see. Oh, that's better. Now I can see. Oh, look! There's another balloon. Here, Bobby, hold this balloon. Yay! We got the balloons down, down, down. Did you see that, puppy? We got 2 balloons. Puppy! Puppy, where did you go? Oh no! Where did Puppy go? Up? Oh wait, that's down. Which way is up? Oh yeah, this is up. Puppy, where are you? I have a treat. Look, I found Puppy. Now Puppy, grab those balloon strings so we can get the balloons down. Oh no! Where did Puppy go? I'll get him another treat so I can find him.